I'm Shoko Fox, and I'm going to show you how to change your model using Twitch redeems on VTube Studio. So first, you're going to make the redeem, one that changes you to that model, and one that changes you back to your original model. And from there, you're going to open up VTube Studio, you're going to double click, and then you're going to go to your settings. And then from there, you're going to go to hotkey settings and expressions, go all the way down, then add. And then from there, you're going to name it. So I'm going to name mine Chibi Shoko. You can name yours whatever. And then you're going to go to Action key. And then you're going to scroll down until you see Change VTS Model. Select it. Then you're going to choose the model. For mine, I will go with this one since it's the Chibi one. And I'll select it. And once you've selected it, make sure to connect your Twitch to your VTube Studio. And from there, you're going to see this little Twitch icon. Press it, and then you're going to activate it. You can set up a cooldown if you want. I personally don't set one up for this because I like to keep the model unless they want me changing back. And I'll show you how to change back your model as well. So then you can make it any type of redeem from bits triggering it and gift subs. But I personally like the channel point redeem one. So I'll select that, and then I'll select the Twitch redeem. And then I'll search up my Chibi form, and I'll select that. And then I'll press OK. And then once that's set up, then you can test it. You can't really test it on VTube Studio, so you'll have to test it separately on your stream channel point. So you're gonna go, and then you're gonna select it, and then bam, you're able to become whatever model you want to be. And then from there, you're going to do another one for you're going to scroll all the way down to turn back into your original character. So I'm going to name this OG Shoko. And then you're going to do a hotkey action, scroll down, change VTS model, select, and then you're going to choose the model. So my model is going to be this one, and I'm going to select it. And then from there, you're going to go back on the Twitch icon, and then you're going to activate it. And then, like I said, you can always set up cooldowns for it. And then you can also do it based off of what you want it triggered. I'm going to, like always, do the channel point redeem trigger. And then I'm going to go to my original form to choose that channel point redeem, and then press OK. And then once that's set up, then you can test it again and scroll all the way down for your character change. So you're gonna change back to your original model, and then bam, back to original.